talk about Shopee Boost Management. Click onto Shopee Boost Management over to your left. Now how this works is, for Shopee, every 4 hours you get to boost 5 products from a store. As you can see here, from products name, we have selected 5 products from our product listing. Now of course you can add more products, but Shopee will only boost 5 per 4 hours. You have to remember that, and will boost from top 5, and after 4 hours we'll boost the rest 6 to 10. Of course you can add by how: product listing, actions, add to boost, added to boost queue, going back to Shopee Boost Management, we'll see our new items. Now it's not boosted yet because the rest is boosted right now. After 4 hours, next will be queued, will be boosted, and that's it. Of course you can choose to delete them. And max boost will be 30 products per shop, so you can queue them for 30 max. So this is how you use Shopee Boost Management to boost every 5 of your products on every 4 hours. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.